Hello, everyone, and big thank you, MCCI, for this wonderful opportunity. I'm Mangesh Wagh. I represent SAN Technomentors Private Limited. Ingenious is our brand for technology enabled learning solutions, talent development solutions for Industry 4.0. We work with engineering and manufacturing companies as talent development partners, large companies as well as MSMEs. 60 subject matter experts, domain experts, they form the core of our solutions, and we deliver solutions which are online, offline, synchronous, asynchronous, and blended modes. Uh, Industry 4.0 for Indian manufacturing companies and talent development and hand holding for implementation is our mission. That's our business. Although we are a training company, we have realized this, or we are happy to say this. Just training won't help. If we are looking at Industry 4.0 to be the reality in India for Indian companies, just training won't help. Consulting won't help either, consulting from the age. And there is a big no to isolated training events. So, what will work? A phased, well-designed training program, uh, which doesn't work like an event, but a program with hand-holding and partnering for implementation. And that's why we bring together the expertise, covering training, mentoring, consulting, training kits, manufacturing and sourcing, IoT products and solutions, process digitalization and operational intelligence, sensor analytics, system integration, and also support from reputed academic institutes. Typical challenges in Industry 4.0, these are well documented, and we have experienced those firsthand as well. And these are even more intensely true for MSMEs, which are mindset, cost sensitivity, availability of talent, cyber security, and legacy systems. We have put together the expertise to tackle all these challenges. The roadmap that we work with starts with awareness, where a lot of work has been done, is being done, then conviction at leadership level, then in-house capabilities, ideas and prototyping, execution and monitoring, and continuous progress. Our clients trust us at all these levels as their partners, whether training partners or hand-holding partners or execution partners. In-house capability, this is where we emphasize a lot, because unless there is a sufficient in-house capability, you will not be able to deal with multiple vendors which are going to get involved. Your device manufacturers, software solutions expert, other IT experts. Unless you have built in-house capability, you will be taken for ride. And that's why we say talent development is 1.0 of Industry 4.0 story. So how are we going to hit the target? The target being Industry 4.0 as reality for Indian companies. First, we have to create a perception as this is chaseable. Industry 4.0 is chaseable. It is neither too big, it is certainly not too small, but it is neither too big. We have to divide this in practically implementable phases, and we have to start small. Then we have to bring a huge techno commercial prowess, because we have to showcase impact of every small project on bottom line and slash or top line for the companies. We have to show the payback periods, return on investment. Unless this is happening, those small steps will not be taken, next steps will not be taken. And hence we have to align the capability development roadmap with these practically implementable phases. Which are those phases or the levels of hand-holding need in execution? Starts with data collection, then dashboards, then decision support systems, then connected machines, then connected factory, then it goes to automated actions where artificial intelligence and machine learning comes into the picture, and then the last phase, which is connected ecosystem, and that is the ultimate view or ultimate vision of industry 4.0. And that's why we have to align capability development roadmap with these practically implementable phases. Typical capability development programs uh, we do are foundational, practitioner, champion. So foundational program would mean awareness and knowledge. Practitioner programs would build skills, which would include hands-on practices, and champion program would mean skills and expertise where real live projects would be conducted. Now we have these seven implementation phases we spoke about, and these three levels of capability development programs. We are talking about these 21 ticks that will lead companies to the implementation of Industry 4.0. A quick highlights of our work. We have been delivering this foundational, practitioner, and champion level programs. We have done competency benchmarking, auditing, think tank enablement programs, awareness programs, detailed practitioner programs, skill building programs, and champion development programs. The question typically is, what's a perfect start? And this is what we recommend as a perfect start for internal capability development. We have developed this online learning series called Industry 4.0 It's My Time. Holistic, fulfilling, and engaging series which will help you create a pool of deploy ready workforce to embrace fourth industrial revolution. Thank you.